Hi, my name is Lydia. I'm a French native speaker and I speak 4 languages. Today, I want to help you to learn French with this audio language learning method. This course is designed to teach you French without textbook. Listen and repeat. Today, let's see the pronunciations of consonants. K sound. Used for a double C, a C before A, O, U, or a consonant. For example, accord, cap, court, crapaud. The S sound for un C cédille or a C before I, E, Y. Like français, ciel, cercle, cycle. The sh sound with ch, for example, chien, chose. The g sound, a g before a, o, u, or before a consonant. For example, gage, gorille, guêpe, grotte. The G sound for a G before I, E, Y, like girafe, gêne, gym. The ñ sound with GN, like araignée. The H is always silent in French, like hasard. The K sound with QU or Q, like quelque, 5. The R sound. The sound R is pronounced from the bottom of your throat. It's almost like if you were gargling. Is used with an only R or a double R. For example, rose, argent, bizarre. The S sound is used for initial S or double S, like souris, fausse. T-I-O-N or S-I-O-N are both pronounced sion, like action, immersion. Final X is pronounced S, like 6. S between 2 vowels is pronounced Z, like mademoiselle. TH is pronounced T, like T. X before a consonant is pronounced X, like expression. X before a vowel is pronounced X, like examen. And now let's practice. Maintenant, entraînez-vous. Try to pronounce the following words and wait for my pronunciation to correct yourself. Cours. Thé. Gym. Gêne. Cercle. Français. Chien. Hasard. Ciel. Souris. Quelque. Girafe. 5. Crapaud. Grotte. 6. Araignée. Mademoiselle. Immersion. Gorille. Fosse. Gage. Cap. Argent. Bizarre. Examen. Expression. Repeat this lesson as many times as needed in order to be able to pronounce easily all the sounds. Don't worry if you don't manage to pronounce everything well, it will come further on. You can join for free my Facebook group to practice your French pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar exercises every day. The link is in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the blue thumb to promote it and subscribe to the channel to see the next videos.